Hi guys, welcome to Pit Stop. Happy news for all the BMW fanboys out there because this is the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe, and happy news is that this will be the most affordable BMW which you can buy in our country today. So we'll be doing a detailed review of the 2 Series Grand Coupe. So to talk about the 2 Series Grand Coupe, this will be available only in a diesel variant, and that is pretty nice if you ask me. And also this will be available in two variants. One is the M Sport and another one is the Sport line. The variant which we are driving today is the M Sport. That means even more sportier features and elements around the car as well as on the interiors. So guys, before going into the detailed video, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Okay guys, so let me talk about the 2 Series Grand Coupe. So in one stance, it is a very low car, it is a wide car, and it looks very sporty in my opinion. Remember that we are driving the M Sport 220D M Sport, and there is one more variant which is the Sport line trim. So actually this looks even more sportier. And to talk about the dimensions, actually this is 4.5 meters in length. So from the front end, this looks like a real good deal, right? Being the most affordable BMW in the country. So from the front we have a pretty big grille here. So being the M Sport variant, this comes with a a black shade as well with chrome finishing and a big BMW logo. Here we have got the parking sensors, and the lower part of the bumper is split into three parts. This is the center portion. Here we have a honeycomb grille, and here we have a small piano black finish, and here we have another sort of element. So here again we have a piano black element. So overall this looks a proper sporty from all the angles in my opinion. And here we have the stunning looking BMW LED headlamps. Inside if you take a look, we have that crystal sort of design that looks very nice. And also the light is very nice, the light throw is very nice. Yesterday I was driving at night. Here we have the fog lamps. So this is how the fog lamps look, and below we have got an honeycomb black portion. Overall the M Sport makes the 2 Series Grand Coupe even more sportier. And on the front, this is what I have to show you, and on the hood actually we have got two lines which makes the car look even more dynamic. So coming to the sides guys, so first thing is that the most sexiest element in the 2 Series Grand Coupe is this stunning looking alloys. Just take a look, we have an M badge over here. The alloy is like coming in two shades actually. Here we have a chrome or silver sort of finish, and here we have a black element because this is the M Sport variant, and this is the 18-inch alloys coming with Bridgestone tires, and the tire section is 225/40R18. So if you opt for the 2 Series Grand Coupe Sport line, you will only get a 17-inch alloys. Here we have the 18-inch stunning looking sexy alloys in my opinion. So coming to the side profile of the 2 Series Grand Coupe, here we have an M badge. Remember that is the M Sport package. And coming to the side mirrors, we have some nicely integrated turn indicators, and here we have the piano black finish, right? Here we have a light projector actually. So at night this will showcase a BMW logo on the floor, and that gives you a very premium feel. So the best thing about the 2 Series Grand Coupe is the frameless doors. These frameless doors looks the best in being a small car, being the most affordable car in our country, most affordable BMW car in our country. These frameless doors look damn sexy in my opinion. Seriously, only we have seen only in frameless doors in sports cars, right? So being an entry level sedan, this is a very sporty deal. So coming to the back profile, so before that I have to show you something, sorry. The roof. So the roof, it's like very fluidic design actually. Sloping roof line is coming, it's like very smooth. So here we have a big panoramic sunroof, shark fin antenna as usual, and the speciality of the roof line is like it's very sloping design, and because of the coupe like rear end, there will be a bit of tightness inside on the headroom part. I'll talk about it when I'm talking about the interior. This is how the back profile of the 2 Series Grand Coupe looks, and it's pretty wide actually. Here we have a stunning tail lights, which is of course LED, and here we have a piano black finish which runs across the width of the car with a nice BMW logo over here. Here we have the parking sensors. The camera sits right here, and the speciality with the M Sport 2 Series Grand Coupe is the stunning looking dual exhaust pipes. And you know what, the diameter of this pipe is actually 90 millimeter, and this is finished in chrome, so this looks like a real deal. So other than that, here we have a small piano black finish. This looks like an air vent, right? But this is actually not an air vent. There are no gaps actually, so that is just a styling element here. And overall, you know, if I have to talk about the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe, I'm seriously liking the way it looks actually. It looks very sporty. It sits very low actually. So because of that, you will have to just remember that it's a low profile car whenever you are driving across rough patches of roads. And this looks very stylish from all angles in my opinion, especially the frameless doors. And those stunning looking alloy wheels are my favorite. So I'll show you the boot before showing you the interiors, guys. Actually, boot might look smaller, but it actually comes with 430 liters of boot space, and the boot is like, you know, it goes inside all the way, and you can keep a lot of stuff inside. You can keep a couple of trolleys and stuff, but unfortunately because of the height is less, you know, between the floor and the top portion, you cannot load bigger objects. That is one thing. And also you have a space saver right here, which is a very small space saver actually. So this is how the boot looks. I'll show you the interiors. Okay, so sitting inside the 2 Series Grand Coupe, first thing is that the car sits very low, and because of that, while you know sitting inside, you will have to slightly bend and come inside. That is the problem. And of course, once you sit inside, you have a wide cabin, pretty spacious front row I should say. The seats are pretty comfortable. The seats are very sporty. It gives you that cocoon feel of sitting inside a sports car actually. You seriously feel like this is a proper sports car because of the low profile, and you know, even the seats are pretty nice. And once you sit inside, the first thing you notice is the best thing, the steering wheel. It's not a flat bottom steering wheel, but it looks very nice. It gives you a very good feel when you're holding the steering wheel actually. You get steering mounted controls, and you get paddle shifters. There is a silver finish over here, and also the paddle shifters come with the silver finish. So overall, the steering gives you a very good feel. I'll talk more about it when I'm driving the car. And right behind the steering wheel, you get a complete digital instrument cluster, which displays almost everything you want to know from the car. So it's a complete digital instrument cluster, and it gives you that nice display when you change the drive modes from eco, comfort and sport modes. 3 drive modes are available. Start stop switch is right here. And one thing which I feel like, you know, the gear lever should have been a little more bigger, because this looks like very small, and this, you know, this doesn't give you that, you know, feel to hold on it, because this looks very small. The cabin fit and finish is very BMW like, and I'm seriously liking. One more cool feature is this one. Take a look. Here we have this chrome accents for the AC vent control, and here we have a small display as well. This will display the AC you know, temperature and stuff. And here we have a wireless charging pad, which here you can keep the phone actually in a pretty slanting way. And here we have a USB port option and 2 cup holders. And inside the charge handrest also you get a C2C cable actually, C2C charging port. I'll show you from the behind. There are 2 ports in the rear bench. And this is how the overall interiors of the 2 Series Grand Coupe looks. We have a very nice, good panoramic sunroof, which gives you a nice airy feel inside the cabin. Overall, the front row feels pretty spacious, pretty wide enough to comfortably sit 2 two adults will completely feel comfortable, and the car sits pretty low, right? So that gives you a proper sporty feel. So this is all about the front row of the 2 Series Grand Coupe. I'll take you to the back row and show you the space. So you have to keep in mind that the front row is set as per my profile, and still if I sit properly, I should say that there is a decent amount of leg space. I'm not complaining about this space at all. What I am complaining is about the sloping roofline, coupe like roofline, so that it eats out a bit of rear headroom. So you have to keep in mind that this is an entry-level BMW, and because of that the proportions are slightly smaller compared to the other BMW. So because of that there will be a little bit tightness in the rear headroom. So this is one thing which disturbs me, but of course when normal sized people are sitting inside, I don't think this will be a big problem. And to talk about the seats are pretty much comfortable, and here we get 3 headrests and a nice handrest as well with cup holders. So this is what about the 2 Series Grand Coupe. And something which I have to tell you is that the seats are like 40-40-20 split option is available, so that you can entirely do like this, or else individually you can move these seats. That is a pretty cool feature, right? So other than that, here we have the AC vents, and here we have 2 charging ports. Actually this is the newest charging port option. This is the like C2C cables, so that charges your phone or your gadget pretty fast. So overall this is about the back row of the 2 Series Grand Coupe, and let me drive the car now. 2 Series Grand Coupe drive mode, sport, traction control, off, left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator. Woo! Ha ha ha. 0 to 100 km/h in 7.5 seconds. Top speed 235 km/h. Okay guys, finally driving the 2 Series Grand Coupe, and I'm driving in a very calm way. I'm driving in the Eco Pro mode. Being a front wheel drive, I was a bit scared, I'm a BMW fanboy, first of all, let me confess that. And what I was thinking is that when BMW start making cars in a front wheel drive layout, I seriously thought they will they'll lose a big part of the element fun. But I was wrong actually. This car can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 7.5 seconds is pretty impressive, right? First thing. And because of the wide tires and because of the great steering feedback, we get good control over the car. You know that the vehicle has a bit of compact dimensions, right? So because of that, you literally feel like you are driving a go-kart, but still a very practical go-kart. Earlier I used this comment a couple of years back when I was driving the 1 Series, because that was one hell of a car. It was a small hatchback, it was a powerful diesel engine, and it was a rear wheel drive. This being a front wheel drive, this comes with a 2-liter diesel engine, 190 bhp of maximum power, and 400 Newton meters of torque. Listen to me, 400 Newton meters of torque in a very compact sedan. That is pretty impressive, right? Let me put it in sport mode and show you how it goes. It feels very much planted to the road. That is one thing. Handling is pretty awesome. See, very sharp handling. I should seriously take this car to a racetrack one day, because even though it's a front wheel drive, this is like, this gives you that proper BMW feel of driving, BMW feel of dynamics, and BMW feel of performance. So the best thing about this engine is that it is very much powerful. It is very much refined. It is very much efficient as well. Company claims a overall efficiency of 18 km per liter, but however, when you are driving on highway driving conditions, you will get around 16 or 15 km per liter. Yesterday I drove this car for around 1000 kilometers. I seriously wanted to get a feedback of BMW on a front wheel drive layout. So I just went for a road drive and I just drove it for around 1000 kilometers and came away very, very, very impressed. I seriously didn't even dream of BMW coming with a front wheel drive layout. Plus, I seriously didn't think that if at all that was happening, I seriously think that front wheel drive BMWs will be this awesome. Seriously, I am loving the way this car performs. It comes with paddle shifters, and if not, you have this 8-speed, very, very smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, which will seriously, it has a very good connect with the car. Whenever there is a requirement, the shifts will happen, and the shifts are very seamless. See, when you put it in sport mode, just I'm changing it to Eco Pro, and the car is behaving entirely different just because of the transmission, and also the overall sensors and the suspension setup. Everything smoothens up, and you can enjoy a very, very plush experience of traveling in the 2 Series Gran Coupe. So in my opinion, guys, the 2 Series Gran Coupe is a power-packed, compact sedan from BMW, and you will seriously love this car for the way it performs on the road. And of course, because of the lower ground clearance, there are a bit of limitations, like you cannot go anywhere on this. Like for example, this car best suits on the road, that means on the highway, and a bit of city driving also will not harm the car at any cost. But still, if you want to take it on pocket roads, if you want to, in Indian road conditions, I don't think like this will be a best deal. But still, this car is simply brilliant on the road. Seriously, I drove it for 1000 kilometers, and this is an excellent mile muncher. 4 people can comfortably sit inside, and the driver will get a very, very good feedback, good feel, good performance, brilliant engine. Everything is pretty awesome. And also the BMW diesels are like very much efficient, as I told you. Yesterday when during my drive, it returned an efficiency of 15.5 km per liter. That is pretty impressive, right? So BMW, being BMW in a front wheel drive layout, is what the 2 Series Gran Coupe is all about. This is brilliant. So there is something called a costing function in the 2 Series Gran Coupe. That means it will be activated between 50 km per hour and 160 km per hour. So what that is in simple words, I'll tell you. So suppose if you are going at 70 km per hour and you lift off your legs completely from the throttle pedal, the drivetrain and the connection between the throttle pedal will be completely cut off. So what happens is that engine braking will not happen. So for a longer distance, the same speed, suppose if you are going at 70 km per hour, engine braking will not happen, and because of that you will get a little more better efficiency. That's a good thing in the 2 Series Gran Coupe. That's a nice function actually. In the sport line, we get a 100-watt 6-speaker audio system, and when it comes to the M Sport, we get a hi-fi loudspeaker system with 10 speakers and 205 watts, which will give you a very good in-car audio experience. And the 2 Series comes with gesture control, which is a super cool feature if you ask me. And other than that, it gets parking assistant with innovative reversing assistant as well. That will really help you to park the car on its own and take it out from a parking lot. Other than that, it comes with the cruise control with braking function. That is very useful when you are out on the highways for a long drive. In terms of safety features, it gets 6 airbags, attentiveness assistance, ABS with brake assist, ARB technology, which means actuator continuous wheel slip limitation system, dynamic stability control, dynamic traction control, electronic differential lock, and cornering brake control. So altogether, the 2 Series Gran Coupe is tech loaded,
It is super luxurious and it is a very safe car as well.
So earlier, my favorite BMW, not in the M car division. If you come to the normal 1 series, 2 series, or 3 series, earlier my favorite normal BMW car was the 118D. That is the 1 series. The reason for that was it's a small hatchback, but with a very powerful engine. That was a rear wheel drive, and it will give you a go-kart kind of feel every time you drive it. I drove it from Mumbai to Kerala and back from Kerala to Mumbai once before a couple of years, and it was a pure adrenaline rush every time you drive that car. You know, the difference between rear wheel drive and front wheel drive is that when you are driving a rear wheel drive car, if you're driving enthusiastically, you feel like, you know, somebody is like pushing you from behind. But at the same time, in terms of a front wheel drive car, you will feel like, you know, you feel a slight difference, like somebody is pulling you aggressively from the front. So that difference you feel between rear wheel drive cars and front wheel drive cars. So to talk about the 2 Series Grand Coupe, please remember that this video is shot 1 week before the launch, and because of that we are not sure about the pricing. But for me, I feel like this will be priced between 28 to 35 lakhs ex showroom, and if BMW could price it very aggressively, a lot of customers are waiting to buy an entry level BMW, because this will give this car, even though it is a front wheel drive, this gives a proper BMW feel in terms of driving, in terms of dynamics and performance. So overall, I'm seriously liking the front wheel drive version of the 2 Series Grand Coupe as well, and hopefully we could find a lot of 2 Series Grand Coupe on roads, because the 1 Series had its own problems. It didn't come with a spacious boot, it didn't have a rear leg room at all. It was a proper 2-seater, I would say. But in terms of the 2 Series Grand Coupe, this is a complete 4-seater. This has a decent boot space, and overall this is practically we can use it on a daily basis. So that's the best thing about the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe, and the sexiest thing is the alloy wheels, the doors and the steering wheel. So overall, hope you guys liked this video, and let's wait for the price. And before that, guys, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.